Kate Hudson looked gorgeous when she showed up to the Venice Film Festival in a red Valentino gown for the Mona Lisa and the Blood Moon premiere. Kate Hudson, 42, made quite the impression at the 2021 Venice Film Festival on September 5 when she attended the premiere of her film, Mona Lisa and the Blood Moon, in an eye-catching fashion choice. The actress wore a magnificent Valentino red gown that had a sheer top and belled-out long sleeves as she posed on the red carpet of the event, which took place in Venice, Italy. She also had her long wavy blonde locks down and took a moment to greet and pet an adorable dog that walked up next to her. The pooch happened to belong to Ana Lily Amirpour, who directed Kate's new film, and its interaction with the beauty was truly memorable and led to some incredible photos. Co-stars Craig Robinson and Skrein also showed up to the festival and looked great as they posed for pics as well. Other celebs who attended included Ruth Wilson and jury members Sarah Godin and Virginia Fira. Related gallery. Stars in red dresses, pics. Mona Lisa and the Blood Moon is a highly anticipated flick, so it's no wonder the premiere brought out a lot of stars. The plot of the film is about a girl who possesses unusual powers and escapes from a mental asylum before trying to make it on her own in New Orleans. Kate plays the role of Bonnie alongside Jung Seo, who plays Mona. Before her latest outing at the Venice Film Festival, Kate made headlines when she attended the Celebration of Women in Cinema Gala, which was held in celebration of the festival. She wore a Minot dress, which was designed by Eli Mizrahi, and it featured cutouts as well as a sleeveless cross-front style that helped showcase her arms. She posed in the epic choice while sitting in what appeared to be a limo in a photo she shared to Instagram on September 4. She appropriately captioned the post with a Coco Chanel quote. "Before you leave the house, look in the mirror and take one thing off," it read.